This is the video for the data option for the Matrixmath game. I'm going to click on data in the red stripe. Here we see the global registers, the main registers with their values, and the sub-registers and local registers for subprogram 1. Then here we see the variables. Game number is 0, was game number is 0, task is 1, equally likely 11. Show answer is 1, which means it's going to show the answers. Scalar value is 3. Row length is 1 and index jump is 5. Now we're going to click on work lists. Here's the names of the work lists. We can go look at them. For instance, here's the A vector. We click on it, and here it shows the values in the A vector. There are only 3, 2, 5, and 10. There's the B vector, then the result vector, then the A matrix, the B matrix, and the result matrix, which is the R matrix. Then we have the two patterns that were created to go on either side of the vectors and the matrices to show that that's what they were. We have the open bracket and the closing bracket. Then we have the save XY, the test values, and this is the example matrix and the result matrix. Those are the work lists. We also should take a look at some of the app pages. Page A, that's where we see the color 599 of Matrixmath up here, followed by that text, Matrixmath. We see the game number, 110 value. They match text, toggle the answer on off text. Well, there's this one. There's also text in page C. I'm going to click on it. Here's where it has the text that it's showing in all the nice colored boxes. Add L, mol L, initial, A vector, B vector, and so forth. The different instructions. And the last work at the end. Here's some of the data that's put on the screen. For instance, if we end the data, we'll see it's all this data here and all the text that's on the screen and this data down here. One other thing we want to look at is the clickable areas down here. I'll click on that. Here we see 1, that's where the number is entered for the game. Click number 2 is where you say that you want to toggle the answer on and off. Click number 7 is this area over here where you go to YouTube videos. Down here, 11 and 12 and 13 are the click numbers for the values entered for your testing your answer. Okay, we'll turn data off. That's these numbers here where you enter the 3 numbers. Well, this is the end of the video for the data option for Matrixmath.